If you enjoy cozy stories like this, don't forget to subscribe.
Want to eat on the rooftop? The weather's not bad.
Sure, I even made those rice balls you like.
It's just another workday lunch, or so they thought.
The steak's a bit overcooked. Maybe I'll try thicker cuts next time.
No way, it goes perfectly with my rice balls.
A quiet rooftop, a soft breeze, just the two of them.
It's raining?
Quick, cover the food.
An unexpected rain turned lunch into a little adventure.
Soggy rice balls. Still kinda tasty though.
Are we in a survival game or something?
Not where they planned to eat, but somehow just right.
Kinda nice, huh? Even if it's a little messy.
Definitely better than eating in front of my screen.
Sometimes it's these small interruptions that bring people closer. The rain faded and light gently returned.
Hold still. You've got a little rice right here.
Thanks.
There's a kind of warmth that doesn't come from the sun.
Let's eat here again on a sunny day next time.
Okay, but maybe bring an umbrella just in case.
Back to work, but something small had changed.